Ethereum has been exploding. We are sitting right near the all-time high, the momentum is insane, ETF money keeps flowing in, and history shows exactly what happens next. First the big boys pump, Bitcoin, Ethereum, then the large cap starts running, then the mid caps, and finally the low caps absolutely explode. Now that last phase is where the biggest multipliers happen. But you've got to be positioned before it starts, and that's why I am getting into the right narratives right now. Now, if you're new to this channel, we have been smashing it lately. We called Peppy 2 years ago before it started running into the billions. We made 100x with Sato, and recently we hit a 7x with Quokka and Mindfuck. But today I'm bringing you a brand new microcap that I think have an amazing risk to reward right now, and I will explain exactly why I bought this one. So you better smash the like button for that and subscribe if you don't want to miss any alpha. Now today we will be looking at a stealth launch meme that's actually got a proper brand behind it. It's called Simon the Gator, and right now the market cap is sitting around the 680k. The liquidity is stable at around 105k, and we are only a couple days in. So the pair is created 2 days ago and 16 hours. So it's brand new, it can be very volatile at the beginning, but I think it has amazing momentum. So if you ask me, we are pretty early for a meme with this kind of brand potential. Even a small bet could turn into something big if this catches on. And I'm not saying it's guaranteed, but in this kind of market, asymmetric bets like this are where you get your 5x's, 10x's, and even 20x's in a short amount of time. Now, if we click on the bubble maps to see how decentralized this project is, you can see it's not that bad. It has like 300 holders right now, and I think it's pretty decent for a project that's only 2 days old. You see one big wallet. Let's head over to this post. All you losers crying about, oh, someone holds 15%, blah, blah, blah. It's the team wallet. Do your research. 15% for treasury, marketing, centralized exchanges, airdrops, and everything needed to run a stupid project. So that's out of the way. Now let's talk about the narrative, because the whole idea is draining the crypto swamp. That means going after the ruggers, the yeeters, and the crybabies. The branding is inspired by Matt Fury, so it's bold, a bit rude, but that's exactly why it works. And you know what Matt Fury picks are capable of if you have been watching my channel for a while. Because in memes, polite doesn't go viral. Stuff that's savage, shareable, and makes people laugh, that's what gets people's attention, and I think they are doing a very great job. Now, as you guys can see, it's stealth launched, which in my opinion is one of the best ways to do it if you've got a strong team and insiders who care about the project. So there are no countdowns, no hype that attracts sniper bots, and no random wallets with zero attachment to the brand coming in just to dump on the first candle. Instead, the people who got in early are mostly the ones who want to push this long term. That's healthier for price action and keeps the chart from getting wrecked. Now, another thing that got my attention is within 24 hours of launch, they were already listed on CoinMarketCap, and that's huge for a couple of reasons. First, visibility, because CoinMarketCap is where normies check prices, and if you're not there, a big chunk of casual buyers never even see you. Second, getting that listing so fast tells me the team is not slowing down and they are pushing the project hard from day one. And finally, a lot of sketchy coins never make it to CoinMarketCap or it takes them forever. And doing it in 24 hours puts this in a different category. So yeah, that's pretty bullish to me. Now, like I said, I grabbed the bag, but I am treating it like every other low cap. Take profits on the way up, I don't get greedy, and I always leave a moon bag just in case we get a huge green candle. Because these things can run hard out of nowhere, but they can also go to zero anytime. So be cautious, guys. Know what you're doing when investing into these projects. Because before you start aping into low caps, make sure you've got a balanced portfolio. I did a buy alert at around 420k, so we're up already. So if you want plays like this before they hit YouTube, join the Discord because that's where I post them first. So let me know in the comments what you think of this project. Smash the like button so more people see it, and make sure you are subscribed because alt season is starting and I am not slowing down. Guys, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.